Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So today we're gonna discuss tenses in English. As we know, in English language we have 12 verb tenses. So today we are going to discuss past tenses. So we are going to start with the simple past. So here we have examples. It rained, it didn't rain, did it rain? So the first example is a sample form, and the second is a negative form, and the third one is a question form. So this is the way to conjugate verbs in the sample past. So you add just ed in the verb final. But we have some exceptions where the verbs take other forms. So remember those verbs as much as you can. So we have buy, bought, sell, sold, speak, spoke, put. It doesn't change, so it became put. Yes, so this is how we conjugate those verbs in simple past. So we move to the second type of past tenses. So here we have past continuous, which means that the action to be continued. Here we have some examples. It was raining. It wasn't raining. Was it raining? So in this tense we add ing to the verb by using was and were. Generally, the rule of past continuous is a subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. So we move to the third type of past tenses. Here we have some examples. It had rained. It hadn't rained. Had it rained? So as we see, we add had and ed to the verb. So we have another example. I had heard the news before you told me. So the first action happened before the second action. So eventually, the past perfect continuous is the fourth past tenses. So here we have some example of it. It had been raining. It hadn't been raining. Had it been raining? So as we see, the form is that we have had been and the ing added to the verb. So this is the real form of past perfect continuous. So we have another example here. It had been looking for a job for months before I decided to start a business. So here we can notice that the first action started and stopped before the second action started or happened. Moreover, we can notice the using of had been and adding ing to the verb. Eventually and finally, thank you for your support and your watching. If you like this content, please share it with your friends and see you in the next video, inshallah.